السلام عليكم. كيف الحال جميعا؟ ان شاء الله بخير. اليوم بسجل لكم المراجعة، واحاول المرة دي ان شاء الله اغير النظام بتاع التسجيل، اتكلم شوية كده بحيث ان كل حاجة مفهومة. هنعمل مراجعة على 3 اجزاء، كل ورقتين هنحطهم في جزء بحيث ان الفيديو يكون قصير وكل واحد يقدر بقدر الامكان يستوعب كل اللي بيتقال في المراجعه. بدايه المراجعه ان شاء الله باذن الله الامتحان هيكون ان شاء الله مش هيخرج عنها باذن الله، فنحاول نركز في كل سؤال تقريبا على اللي بيكون مثالين، واحد للشرح وواحد للبراكتسنج. فاول واحد نحاول نركز فيه ان احنا نفهم كشرح، وتاني واحد نحاول ناخده احنا ما نشوفش الشرح ونحاول نحله بدون نشوف الاجابه بتاعته من خلال الفيديو. يبقى أول سؤال اللي هو النسخة الأولى، كل سؤال question 1 question 2 هتلاقي فيه 2 examples. الإكزامبل الأول حاول نركز عليه إن احنا نفهم كيف بيتحل، والنسخة التانية أو السؤال التاني من نفس السؤال بيكون من عشانك انت تحاولي تسوي check your understanding. هنبدأ بداية كده question 1. solve 2x 2 to the power of x equals 64. طبعا انتوا عارفين هذه exponential equation، وفي exponential equation احنا ممكن نعمل guess for the answer. يعني what it means, what power x means what power of 2 give me 64. So you can use the calculator to check or to guess what is the correct answer by guessing x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 3 by using calculator. 2 to the power of 1 هتطلع 2 to the power of 1 equal 2, 2 to the power of 2 equal 4, 2 to the power of 3 equal 8, 2 to the power of 4 equal 16. This is guessing, وبعدين 2 to the power of 5 32, 2 to the power of 6 equal 64. So what is the correct answer? What power of 2 give me 64? So the answer equals 6. All these calculations can be done with calculator. So this is the guessing method. طيب, if you want to use direct method, you have to keep this side without any change, 2 to the power of x, and try to write this number with the same pace 2 and check which power of 2 give me 64. You will find 6 all by using calculator. It means, but my favorite method is to check what number of 2 give me 64. Now you can pause the video and try to do this one by yourself. Okay, I don't know if you got the correct answer, but we will do it together. So what power of 4 give me 256? By using the calculator, you need to check 4 power 1, 4 power 2, 4 power 3, 4 power 4, 4 power 5 until you get 256. So what power of 4 give me 256? We can use the calculator. I want you to use it with me. What power of 4 give me 256? Let's do it together. I will do it with you. 4 power 1 is 4. 4 power 2 is 16. 4 power 3 is 64. 4 power 4 is 256. It means the correct answer is 4, because 4 power 4 the one which give me 256. So what is the value of x? What is the solution? X equal 4. Why 4 in particular? Because if you put instead of x here power 4, you'll get 256. I think no chance for anyone to lose this question. Go to question 2. Simplify logarithms. We have to know what is the properties of logarithm we have studied together during this year. I want you to go to the last page. You will find all properties of logarithms. See here, I put for you all properties of logarithms. You can use to know which property you can use. We have 4 main properties. Product property, you have to know what is the property name. Product property of logarithms. It means if you have one log with base and you have multiply of two amounts, m times n. So let me show you. Log m multiply n. This is m multiply n. So if you have one log with the product, you can release this logarithm to two logs. These two logs with plus. So you can change log product property to two logs with plus. Quotient property of logarithm. If you have one log with two values in a fraction like this, it means this is quotient property. You can release them to two logs with minus. So product means plus and quotient or division means minus. Please don't forget that, and try to save in your mind what is the property name. Product property, this one. Please, you will find a question like this in the exam. So product property, quotient property, and power property, as I explained to you, that if you remember, this is like a stone, you throw it back, and it means you can take this power behind the log, it becomes n multiply log bm. Okay, it's enough to know only these three property. Product property, multiply to plus. Quotient property, division to minus. Then the power, if you have power, you can throw it back or you take it again, return to the power as you like. So go back to the question, to these two questions. One of them talk about product and one of them talk about quotient. So when I ask you to simplify or the name of the property, just write this is one log a multiply b. It means this is need to make this one log, this is product, okay, two amounts multiply. So you can put this one log as a two logs, log plus log a. So I would take the first amount in one log, then plus log b. I think it's very easy. And what about the quotient? As we did here, we can write the one log in two logs, but quotient needs to be minus if you have a fraction or division. It means log x over y equal log x minus log y. So quotient rule, product rule. Please don't forget the name of the property, and you need to revise from the last paper. Question 3. Question 3, I just give you one copy because no need to waste the time in this one. Please focus on this question and try to understand what is the requirement of the question. Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Please focus on this word, asymptote. What is the meaning of asymptote? Asymptote, the values which make the function undefined. What is the meaning of undefined? It means we cannot put this value in x because it will make the function undefined. We can use it. What is the values of x which make this function undefined? Direct go to the denominator. طيب, we have vertical and horizontal. Please focus on these two types of asymptotes, vertical and horizontal. Please, if you see this form, no need to solve or calculate anything. Just see the answer. You can get the answer directly from the function only if you have this form, 1 over x minus 3 minus 2. Please go back to the last paper. You will find this form mentioned in the table, so you can get the answer directly without any calculation. Just go to the last paper here. I put for you this table, can guide you to find the answer. See, this is our form. I don't see this a and b, no need, because this is our form, 1 over x minus h plus k. So what is the vertical asymptote? Directly take this h. If you have here minus, put it plus. If you have plus, put it minus. So what is the vertical? Please say, try to understand what I mean. So you can get the vertical asymptote from the denominator here, h. If minus h, put h. If a plus h, put minus h. And this is the horizontal asymptote, this value of k without any change of the sign. So go back to the original question. So I will ask you and wait for a moment to hear your answer. Vertical asymptote equal, go direct, take the answer from the denominator here. What is this minus 3? So you need to change the sign. If it's minus 3, please write 3 without minus. What about horizontal asymptote? Go to this number in a constant place, minus 2, take it as it minus 2, take it minus 2 plus 2, take it plus 2. So please don't lose the marks of this question, because it's very easy. No need to do anything. Just you can get your answer by seeing the function and the values or the numbers in the function. This is how to find vertical and horizontal asymptotes of this type of the function. Now go to question 4. Simplify x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. As I told you many times before, you have to know what is the technique of factorization. The denominator, no need to factorize, it's already factored. X squared minus 9, this is difference of two squares. As we know all, x squared minus 9, open two brackets, x squared xx, and 9 is a square number. Can we write it as 3 multiply 3, 1 plus 1 minus. So this is the factorization of the numerator. So this x plus 3, x minus 3, this is the factorization of this difference of two squares, x plus 3 minus 3 over x minus 3. Now tell me if you see any common factors between numerator and denominator. We can cancel them out. Yes, we have x minus 3, x minus 3. So the answer is x plus 3. I think this is very easy for everyone to do. Go to question 7. Try to do it by yourself. I will wait you for a moment. Pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Okay, girls. Now let's see how we can factorize. Simplifying means you need to factorize. Simplify, if the question asks you to simplify a rational fraction, a rational expression, it means you need to factorize both numerator and denominator and see or check if you have any common factors. You can cancel them out if they are same. Let's go to the numerator first. This is quadratic trinomial. I want you to remind the method or the way for factorizing this expression, x squared minus 12x plus 20, open two brackets, x squared x times x, as all we know, and 20. What two numbers give me 20? We have many options. Let's write all options can be product, can be together, make product 20. I have 1 multiply 20, or 2 multiply 10, or 4 multiply 5. How many options do we have? we have three options, but which one of these options can be written in this one? Which one is correct? This middle value, the coefficient of x, will tell you which one is the correct. Here the operation is plus, so if you add them, so make plus, which two factors can give you 12? 1 plus 20 give me 12? No. 4 plus 5 give me 12? No. 2 plus 10 give me 12? Yes, it is. So you can write here 2, 10, but what is the values, or what is the signs of each bracket? I want them minus 12, it means minus 2 plus minus 10. So the numerator now done, go to the, the numerator done, go to the denominator. Denominator, I think it's very clear. X squared minus 100, this difference of two squares as we did in this question. Open two brackets. X squared, x times x. 100 is 10 multiply 10. 1 plus 1 minus, as we usually do. So write the factorization of the first of the numerator up x minus 2, x minus 10, and in the denominator x plus 10, x minus 10. Now can you please check if we have two common factors between numerator and denominator? Yes, we have this one with this one. So my last answer is x minus 2 over x plus 2, and this is my final answer. It's very easy, I think. Please focus on this type of questions. Go to question 5. Find the sixth. This is sequences, arithmetic and geometric sequences. And if you see any sequences question, please, the first step, please take my tip. Please, you have to check if it doesn't mention that the sequence is not arithmetic or geometric. You have to check by yourself. It's already here. The question I give you, this is arithmetic. Arithmetic, it means we are adding or subtracting a specific or constant value, and this value is calling d. What value we add each time to get the next term? I think it's very clear. We adding 4 each time. And let's remember together what we call this value we are adding each time. It calls common difference and labeled by d. So d is 4. What value? It's very important in working with sequences is a1 or first term. What is the first term? It's clear for everyone. It is 2. Now, once you have these two values, common difference and the first term, I think you can do everything by using these two values. And the question here asks us to find the sixth term. Some of you can guess adding 4 3 times more to get the sixth term, but the formal method is to write the nth term. You can find all formula regarding to sequences in the formula sheet in this revision or even in the exam paper. So an, this is the nth rule of arithmetic sequence. A1 plus n minus 1d. Just I want you what we call this sixth. This is n. This is 10, but keep it that it's for the last step. An equal a1 is 2 plus n minus 1 times what's the 4. Multiply 4 by n and 4 by 1. It means an equal 2 plus 4n minus 4. We can combine these two constants together. It means an equal 4n minus 2. This is the nth term of my sequence. Now, but the question didn't ask you to find the nth rule. The question asked you to find a6. It means just replace this n with 6. If you want a6, okay, no problem. I will write 6n instead of n. It means 4 multiply 6 minus 2. It means a6 equal 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2 equal 22. This is my last answer. Do we have another shorter method we can use? Yes, we have. Let me write this method. If the question asks you to specific position of a term, you can direct write the but I prefer to write each step to get all marks of the question. Okay, by the end of this exam I will give you a shorter method you can use, but let me tell you all steps of the answer. Question 9, but here this is different than the previous one because this is geometric, and as we know the difference between arithmetic and geometric, here adding or subtracting to get the next term, here you need to multiply or divide to get the next term. It means you need to check by yourself what we are doing to get from 2 to 8, what we did, and similarly we do the same thing to get the third one. It's not only how we can move from first to second term. Like we have to check from first to second in the same action we do to get from second to third. What we are doing, I think all know that 2 multiply 4 equal 8, 8 multiply 4 equal 32. Or directly you can divide any term by the previous. So if you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4. 32 divided by 8, you will get 4. All the time you will get 4, and this is what we call common ratio, R. R equal 4. And as I told you in the 8th question, we need to know A1. It's very important. What is A1 in this sequence? It is 2. As we did in the question 5, in question 8 we have to do in question 9. Write the nth rule. Nth rule of the geometric is an equal a1 r to the power of n minus 1. It means an equal a1 already we have, it is 2 multiply, I prefer to put a ratio in a bracket, it is 4 to the power of n minus 1. Now the nth term is ready to use. So why we need to use this nth term? To find the 7th term. So a7 equal to 4 to the power of 7 minus 1. It means to 4 to the power of 6. I give you the chance to calculate this by calculator. Try to find it by using calculator because I don't have calculator actually. Now the last question in this video, question 6, solve for x. This is rational equation, and don't forget rational. If you see this form of rational equation, don't forget to use butterfly method or cross method. Multiply numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator. Don't forget the butterfly. So let's do it together. Try to start with the left side. It means x times 3 or 3 times x. 3 times x equal this 3 times x. 2 multiply x plus 1. Many questions received about why we put x plus 1 in a bracket, because this 2 multiply by each term in this 2 multiply by each term in this denominator. So we have to put them in a bracket to distribute the multiplication on each term inside. So 3x equal 2 multiply x is 2x, and 2 multiply 1 is 2. Now collect the similar term together one side. This 3x should be with 2x, but it's better to transfer the smaller coefficient of x to the bigger. It means take this 2x to the left side. Now 3x, don't forget to change the sign. Don't forget to change 3x minus 2x equal 2. It means 3x minus 2x is 1x or x equal to done. As you see, it's very easy. Just you need to know the first step, the cross multiplying or the butterfly method. If you get your start correctly, I think you will do, because I think all the other steps, the rest of the steps, it's very easy how to multiply or to combine the terms. Just don't forget, just remember the method. I will give you moments to solve this one. Pause your video, try to do it by yourself. I'm waiting you. As we know, cross multiplying or butterfly method, multiply numerator by denominator and numerator by, try to start with the constant first. So if you want to start with this side, try to start with 2, then write x plus 3 in a bracket. And similarly, go to the second side of the cross multiplying, start with 4 and open bracket for x minus 1. Now we need to expand each bracket. It means 2x plus 6 equal 4x minus 4. Now combine the like terms together. Don't forget to change the sign when you decide to transfer any term. I prefer to send 2x to 4x and not minus 4 to 6. Why 2x to 4x? Because I prefer to send the smaller coefficient of x to the bigger. So now 6 plus 4, this minus 4 goes to this side with plus, as you see here, and 6 keep it in its side without any change, and keep 4x in the right side without any change, and bring 2x to this side with minus, don't forget, because it was plus 2 in this side. Now this is then equal 4x minus 2x is 2x. Just final step we need. Let's say together, what should we do? Divide, yes, by 2. Both, yes, both sides. 2, 2, it means 5 equal x, because 10 divided by 2 is 5. Thank you so much. See you in the second video. Goodbye.